3 steps to master meditation. Today, I'm so fortunate, so lucky, so blessed to have the spiritual guru and experienced meditator Lina Liu to show you how to do meditation properly. Mostly importance on your posture, on your physiology, and your physical body, and so that it doesn't injure you. And there you go, Lina. So before we get into the 3 important keys on meditation, let's show you the show reel. Hit it!
Okay, if we sit like this, I think I've seen a lot of people sitting with the knees up in the air. If you sit like this for 10-15 minutes, after a while, I think your bodies tend to be fidget. You move around a bit because, you know why? Because you're not grounded. Because you're not grounded. So if your knees are on the ground and you're grounded, and it's easier for your spine to be erect. So the easiest thing you can do is, well, because we're in a park now, is use a pillow, cushion, you have something underneath. Okay, so when I have something behind me, sitting on my base, it's easier for me to have a better posture. So now my spine is erect and my knees are grounded. Because I've been meditating for a long time, my legs, my muscles are quite flexible. So this is very natural for me to do. So I sit like this most of the time. You don't have to. If it's uncomfortable for you, you just leave it like that. As long as your knees are grounded. And if a lot of people, they still have problems with sitting like this because a lot of people are not used to, moving their legs this way. So you can sit like this. If you have a cushion sitting behind you, can I borrow your coat or
Of course.
your rucksack?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Right, I'll show you how. Sorry about your coat.
No problem. It's okay.
Something, yeah. Sit like this. I think for most people this is a lot easier. And you're grounded. Then it's so much easier, you know? I'll show you. Okay, your shoulder, relax, and you're grounded. Head slightly down. Palms facing up, receiving the sun, receiving the universe energy. And close your eyes. And focus on your breathing. Pay attention when you breathe in, naturally out. We breathe every second of our life, but when we're not paying attention, we don't know it actually exists. So now, breathe in and out. We count to 1, silently. In, out, 2, in, out, 3, in, out, 4, in, out, 5, in, out, 6, in, out, 7, in, out, 8, in, out, 9, in, out, 10. And you start all over again. Count up to 11 and 12, then you realize you're actually not focusing. It's okay, doesn't matter. The most important thing is you're now aware that your mind drifted away. So you can start again, 1 to 10. So this is called mindfulness of meditation. It's been teaching in India for over 2,000 years, 2,500 years. And not only Buddhism, Hinduism, and a lot of people in India practice mindfulness of meditation. It helps your mind be mindful. It's easier when you're mindful. Able to focus everyday life. It's a way of practice. Just focus in breathing. Pay attention in out, 1, in, out, 2. So this is a way of practicing your mind, exercising. When you exercise, you lift a weight, you do 12 reps, your muscle will become bigger, same as your mind muscle. You train your mind in a different way by focusing on your breathing. So the more you train your muscle become bigger. The more you train your mind, the more mindful you become. So it's the same theory. So it's not something, there's no magic pill. You take one pill and your muscle, become bigger. Maybe you have plastic surgery, but with your mind, it's your own mind. It's up to you what you want to do with it. So this is one way of meditation, for mindfulness of meditation. So when Eric tells us focus on your breathing, this is one way of focusing your breathing. And after you've been practicing 1 to 10, this is mindfulness meditation. After a while, you actually don't have to count 1 to 10 because you're so used to focusing in your breathing, in, out, in, out, in, out. After a while, you don't even count in, out. In, out doesn't exist anymore. You're just so, used to the breathing. Once you close your eyes and you just feel you are part of the universe, you are in one of everything. I'm happy to share with you with my experience of meditation. Now it's Lai An's turn to meditate.
Very powerful tips from Lina, our spiritual guru. I'm sure you learned a lot from this video. And if you think this video is very useful to you, or just by all means as an entertainment to you, please comment below, hit the like button, and let us know where you tune in from, because it's always good to get engagement with each other. And of course, please remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification button next to it, so that this year I can hold you accountable to be your best 2019 yet. Bye for now. Ciao.